In this ClickFunnels tutorial, I will show you how to create main and order bump products in ClickFunnels, how to adjust their settings, add images to the products, and connect the products to your order form. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account yet, use the link in the description of this video to start an extended 30-day trial instead of a regular 14-day trial and receive our ClickFunnels course as a bonus. Now let's jump straight into it. The great thing about products in ClickFunnels is that they are universal, which means that you create them once and then you can add them to different funnels, pages, and your store in ClickFunnels. To access the product section, go to the products, all products. Let's create two products. We will use one of them as a main product on our order form and the other one as an order bump. Click Create Product. You can create either a digital or a physical product. Enter the name of the product, add some description if you want. You can also do it later in the settings of the product and click Create Product. In this pop-up, you can select a price type for your product. It can be a one-time purchase, a subscription, or even a payment plan. And as mentioned here, you can also update or add different pricing plans to your product later. Let's go with a one-time product, enter the amount and click Set Price. Now the product is created and we will see the page with the settings for this product. You can change the name of the product if needed, add some description. In the settings of the product, you can also add an image or even multiple images to your product. Click Select Images. Then you can either select an image from the gallery, upload an image from your device by clicking on the link here, or even use the picture stocks that you see on the left to find an image that you would want to use. Next, we go to the pricing section. If you need to edit the existing pricing, click this icon and you will be able to make some changes here. To add another pricing plan, click Add Price. Let's say you want to offer a payment plan for this product. Then you enter amount per payment, amount of payments, how often your customers will be charged. If your product has a trial, you can also enter it here, or if you want to charge a setup fee. If you want to create this pricing plan but you don't want to show it on the checkout, you can also disable the visibility of this pricing plan. Once you're done, save the changes and it will create another pricing plan for your product. You can add text information about your product in the drop-downs here. And if you want to track inventory for this product, you can enter the keeping unit number here. Another useful feature that ClickFunnels offers for the products is purchase actions. In the section here, you can select if the purchase of this product unlocks access to a digital asset, a course, or a community in ClickFunnels. Let's say I want to unlock access to the course. I would click this plus icon, then select the course to which I want to give access and click Save. Next, you can add product variations. For example, if you sell a physical product, like a t-shirt, you can add different sizes and different colors. Next, we have the SEO and sharing information. That's the information about your product that will be visible in the search results, or if somebody shares the link to the product page. You can change the title for this product, add some description, and add a different image. And last but not least, we have commission settings. Because ClickFunnels allows you to run your own affiliate program, you can decide if you want to pay commissions for this product to your affiliates and also set up different commission plans. Once you make the changes to your product settings, click Update Product to save the changes. And before we leave the settings page, make sure that you have the right visibility for this product. If you want this product to be visible in your online store in ClickFunnels and in your customer center. By the way, even if you have not created a customer center, it will be created by default in ClickFunnels because that's the space where your customers will get access to a course or a community if you create them. And that's why if you select that the product is visible in the customer center, people who get access to your course or community will also see this product. Now I will once again go through the same steps and create an order bump product. Click Create Product. Select the type of the product and enter the name and click Create Product. Enter the price for this product. And I will also add an image. Click Update Product. With these products created, the next step that we need to do is to connect them to your order form in Clickfunnels. To do that, go to your order form. Your order form already should include the checkout element that will allow you to process the payments. Then click this icon with 3 dots. Add Products. Click Add Product. And then select the product that you want to add to the order form. I added the main product, and I will repeat the same steps to add the order bump product to the order form as well. Once again, add product, and then I select the product that I created for the order bump. To transform this product into the order bump product, we need to drag this product to the order bump section. And just like that, Clickfunnels will know that this product is an order bump product. By the way, there are also additional settings here. If you want to offer your customers the possibility to order multiple items of your main product or your order bump product, in the drop-down here you should select multiple product with quantity. That's the drop-down for the main product, and the other one is for the order bump product. And then click Update. Now we have both products connected to the order form, and we can preview the order form to see how they look. I have the main product here and the order bump product that we added to the page. Now the look of the product cards depends on the template that you selected for the checkout element, and if you want to change how your product card or the order bump product card look like, you can do it in the settings of the checkout element. Let me quickly show you how it works. You need to open your order form in the page editor. Then open the settings of the checkout element. First of all, you can select a different template. Let's select this one. And then you can additionally adjust the settings for the product cards. I will again switch to the one-step checkout form. With this template, our order form looks like this, but you still can adjust the look of the cards. Once again, open the settings. To adjust the look of the main product card, go to the Product Select. Here you can switch between different styles, classic, modern and grid. In the advanced settings, you can also select if you want to show the product image, adjust the size of the headline and product description. And as you can see here, if you want to edit the color and styles, you can do it in the general settings, and you can just click the link here to open these settings. Next, if you want to adjust the look of the order bump card, you can do it in the order bump section. Again, we have multiple styles, classic and modern, and we also have different settings for the colors. That's how easy you can create products in Clickfunnels, add them to your order form, and adjust the look of the product cards. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.